Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do a real quick video, probably the easiest maintenance you can do on a Toyota 4Runner. I'm gonna replace my air filter, the engine air filter. In the past you must have seen I've used FRAM, extra guard air filter, and I'm not sure whether I published the Denso or the Toyota air filter that I've been using for some time. And today I'm gonna try something new. So this is the Wix air filter. I'll put the part number that I was using. Uh, the reason is, yeah, sure, you can use the factory Toyota air filter with the pre-filtering. I use the full size air filter, not the half size one the dealership tries to put. I order the full size air filter with the pre-filter. I'll put the part numbers. So that's the Toyota 17801 38051. The part number, I'll put them in the description. That is the full size Toyota Denso air filter with the pre-filter. And this time, so the reason I'm using Wix is I was watching one of the test Project Farm did. It's laughable. Some of the air filters have a high airflow, but put in all those junk into your engine, all those bigger particles, which is not what I want on my 4Runner. They are being used in dusty conditions, so I want my engine to breathe cleanest air as possible. So according to their test, Wix is one of the, if not the best, filtering air filter that used on that test. So I'm going to remove the air filter and replace. So if you're a first timer, it's just 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in back of this box. So just gonna pop one by one. So there's the first one, second one there, third one right here, and the fourth one behind this box. And just open a little bit so you can get the existing air filter out. Like so. So if I explain, so this is the full size air filter. That is the part number, and this has the pre-filtering. You can see there's signs of water and a little bit of dust. So this is why I use the one with pre-filtering. And yeah, some of the Toyota dealerships, they try to use the half size air filter. I'm not sure how good they are or bad they are, but I try to use the full size one. Came with the 4Runner, so just going to throw this away and let's use the Wix one. Let me open the box. I'm seeing this for the first time. Alright, so this is the Wix air filter. I'll put the part number for this one. It has a mesh, metal mesh. I don't know why, but it also has a pre-filter screen here, so hopefully this provides much cleaner air. And just like that, you put it back, put the clips back, and that's all. If you want me to start the car, let me start it. Alright, that is it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.